So hello guys, so welcome to my YouTube channel. So for today's video, so as you can see, this is my Xiaomi Pro 2. So I have a problem of this kind of Xiaomi Pro 2. So this kind of Xiaomi Pro 2 is already locked the BLE. So as you can see, we're going to connect. So we're going to connect the down G. So the problem of this kind of scooter is I cannot put the filmer because the BLE is already 158. So first we're going to connect. So the BMS, so now we are already connected now. So as you can see, my BLE is already 157. So the BLE is 157. So that's why any filmer I can put is not going to install because it is already 1.7. So let's try it. So I will try it this kind of filmer 15 DBR 155. So let's try it. So let's try, and then let's wait to the percentage is 100%. So as you can see, 90, 91. So until 99, so it's not working. Oh, as you can see, so that's why the problem is the BLE. So the BLE is already 157. So nothing changed. So let's try it. So the speed is nothing changed. So let's put to the drives S. So the speed is only 26 kilometers. So the filmer is not working. So that's why the problem is the dashboard. So if you are already have a new dashboard, so you can change the dashboard because the dashboard of this scooter is the BLE is 157. So I don't have any extra dashboard. So that's why I have another one scooter of Xiaomi Pro 2. So let's try it to change the dashboard, and then let's try to put the filmer. So first let's take out this, and then the another of scooter. So right guys, so this is my another Xiaomi Pro 2. So the dashboard of this kind of scooter is 15. So the BLE is 157. So this is my another scooter. So we're going to try the dashboard, and then let's try to put the filmer. So this is the dashboard of the BLE 157. So let's try to take out the another one. So let's take out the dashboard of this kind of scooter. So this is the dashboard of this kind of scooter, and now let's going to take out the another dashboard and then we're going to change. So this is the dashboard of the BLE 157. So let's go into try this kind of dashboard. So let's put it now. So right, so we already put now. So now already put now the dashboard. So now we're going to connect the dashboard to my cell phone, and then let's try to put the filmer. So we're going to go to down G, connected to Pro 2. So we already connected now, and then let's try to put no. So the DRB is 223, the BMS is 128, and then the BLE is already 129, because this kind of dashboard is the 157. So let's go into try to put the filmer. So we're going to put the filmer. What kind of filmer I can put? This. So let's put the firmware DRB 155. So flash. So let's wait to 100% the flashing of the firmware. Alright, so we are already finished. So now, as you can see, the DRB is 155, the BMS is 128, and then the BLE is 129. So let's go into put it back, the BLE 157. So this is the BLE 157. So this kind of BLE 157 cannot put the filmer, any kind of filmer. So that's why we're going to change the dashboard. So let's try. So let's try to connect. So as you can see, the BLE is all 157, so nothing changed. So the DRB is 155 and the BMS is 128. So let's try to run if the filmer is working here. So let's try it. So this is it. So the filmer is already put now the controller. So that's why the speed now is 45 km/h. So this is it, guys. So we're going to fix the toy scooter and then we are already finished. So alright, guys, so we are already fixed now the dashboard of the toy scooter. So and then we are already put the filmer. So let's try it again. How many speed now? So let's try it. So 45, 46 km/h. So this is it, guys. So thank you very much for watching this kind of video. So please don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell to update to my YouTube channel.